Hi, this is National Cycle Route 41 to Stratford upon Avon, the birthplace of Shakespeare. We are planning to reach there in another hour. Let's see how it goes. I heard it's illegal to cut these hedges in Britain. It's considered to be their national treasure or something. But every farm has this hedges. It really obstructs the view, but at the same time it helps cyclists from the crosswinds. Okay, we have reached the birthplace of Shakespeare and the roads are getting really bad. Okay, it's actually cobbled street. Okay, this is the street which houses the birthplace of Shakespeare and the place where he was brought up. Looks just like a quaint little European town. Okay, this is what the destination seems to be. Oh yes. और ये है शेक्सपियर जी.